So we are going to be definitely using this Urban Decay Naked Heat palette. So to prime my eyes, I already did put primer on, but now I'm going to go ahead and have an eyeshadow base, and I'm going to be using this NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer in the color Tan Bronze. Take my beauty blender and blend that in. Next, I'm going to take my Airspun Loose Setting Powder to go ahead and set the concealer using the Airspun Loose Setting Powder. Alright, let's go get started. I'm going to start off with this color right here called Low Blow. This is going to be our base and first transitional color. Eye crease brush. I'm using this eye crease brush, and I'm going to start going darker and using On Fuego, which is a nice burgundy tone. I'm going to start with that color here, and I'm going to go ahead and deepen up this crease and just get the fireworks going. So I'm like just dragging it from this part to my eye and then pushing the rest of it in. I've only dipped the brush one time, and this is all the color that came on, so it's a lot of pigment in this palette for sure. I'm going to take a large eyeshadow brush. I'm going to take this color right here called He Devil, which is this brick red color, and I'm going to put that in the inner corner of the eye, placing that directly in the inner corners. Next, I'm going to take my Rimmel London concealer slash highlighter in the color light to medium. I'm using this as my I'm going to be using this as my cut crease concealer because it's too light for my face, so this is perfect to use on your eyes. So whenever you have a concealer that you bought that's way too light for you, if you don't want to return it, you could always use it as an eyeshadow base or as a cut crease base. So I'm just going to go ahead . I always do one eye better than the other eye, always. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and take this flat top brush here, and I'm going to pick this color right here called Chaser, which is a very light color, and put that down first on top of the cut crease. This pretty much matches the color of the concealer. So I accidentally went into the color Sauced, but oh well. Alright, so I'm gonna go off camera and do my face makeup, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so majority of the face is done. I did apply my foundation and my concealer and highlight, and then I set that already. So I'm gonna go back into the eyes and finish the eyes. So I'm gonna be using my Black Radiance waterproof liner, my favorite liner in the history of liners, and I'm just gonna go ahead and line. I love when I do my liner like so perfectly. Next, let's go ahead and apply some falsies. Alright, I'm going to go back into this palette and I'm going to take this color right here, heat double, and I'm going to apply that on the bottom waterline. I'm going to take this same small pencil brush and I'm going to go into the color down here called Ashes. This dark purple color, and I'm going to go ahead and deepen up above the cut crease. Doing this is adding a lot more drama to the look. The color Chaser here, and I'm going to place that right under my brow bone. For the lips, I'm going to go ahead and start with this Essence lip liner in the color Red Blush, one of my favorites. Next, I'm going to take this soft matte lip cream from NYX in the color Stockholm. Go ahead and set my eyebrows with some brow gel. Go ahead and set this baby. And this is the finished look. I am actually really loving this vibe I got going on. It's been a while since I've been like a rock star, you know. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video featuring the new Naked Heat palette by Urban Decay. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed to your girl, hit the subscribe button. Okay, alrighty you guys, thank you guys for watching. It's 2018. It is the time for greater mission possible. Bye.